This is Reggie's Motorworks. We've been servicing German cars in Noblesville, Indiana since 2006. My name's Reggie, and I started working on cars because that's what I enjoy. I was a car guy since I was a little kid. And as my professional career developed, I found myself in sales, but I always had that need to come back to work on cars. And in 2006, I discovered a way to do that. I found that I could disassemble old BMWs, which I had been driving for quite a while, and I found there's a market for those on eBay. So believe it or not, I started my business by taking cars that were destined to be crushed and selling the good parts all over the world. Through that process, I had made some friends that asked me to work on their cars. So, you know, here we are almost 15 years later, a staff full of people that are career automotive technicians, some amazing mechanics, and I've got a staff full of folks in the front office that care tremendously about our clients. We still are passionate about the cars, but we're also very passionate about taking care of you, the folks that drive the cars. That's why we have technicians and mechanics that are trained specifically to work on these cars, and they have a lot of history working on whether it's your BMW or your Porsche or your Audi. We have guys who have specific training and education on the type of car that you drive. We also invest in the same tools that the factory uses. It's hard to work on a German car if you don't have the proper technology. And it's hard to work on every car under the sun, and that is why we specialize. We also take great pride in just getting to know you and build a relationship. We know that having your car repaired is not always the most fun thing in the world, and we try to spend a lot of time giving you information, educating you on why your car needs what it does, and allowing you to make great decisions so that you don't have to come see a mechanic so often. We take care of people who drive German cars.